Now we're talking. We have a 1969 GTX 440 Trac Pac car. It means it's a 4-speed with a 354 Dana rear end. You know what I like best about the car? It's a factory Scorch Red with a pewter interior, silver seats. It looks amazing. This car presents itself very well. We have a folder thick with documentation for the restoration, the owner history. The car was a one owner until 1973, actually got repossessed, and then the second owner bought it. In 1979, he parked it in his mother's garage, and that's where it sat till 2001. 59,000 original miles on this car, and it's restored very nicely. I acquired it from a very prestigious muscle car collection. I mean, he has $500,000 cars in his collection. That's where I acquired this one. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at over 100 pictures top to bottom, read all the specs. That's where you will find the price tag along with a monthly finance option. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. That way you're notified when the new ones are posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, just look at that thing. I mean, there's other GTXs and Roadrunners out there, but not this one. This is exceptional. Underneath the car is just very nice. All the floors, frame rails, rockers, all just nice clean metal with a light undercoat on it. It's all nice and tidy. Front end looks like it's been gone through. You know, a lot of the components do look like they've been replaced. New shocks all the way around. Nice sounding dual exhaust. This has that perfect idle, that nice lopey, deep muscle car idle. So anyway, nice dual exhaust with Flow Pro mufflers. They come out the back, I believe, yeah, with the right chrome tips. Drum brakes all the way around. That system's been gone through. The e-brake cables are hooked up. You look up at the motor, it's all clean orange. The casting codes on the side of the block are correct. Then the actual VIN number matches the car on the engine. It's a numbers matching engine. The 4-speed transmission is also VIN number matched to this car. And like I said in back, it's a Dana 60 rear end. It's the heavy duty rear end with 354 Sure Grip gears. Starter looked new. So now let's check out the body. The body's in excellent shape. All the gaps, I think they're precisely fitted. They're all square and flush. It's all straight. All lines up nicely. No issues. All in excellent shape. No rust. All smooth, clean metal, straight. No dents, no waves. It's all real nice. Doors fit real well, shut real nice. Yeah, that's real good. Real nice body. Painted black along the bottom. If you notice, there is a white stripe that's actually on the tag. This car was born like you see it. Red with the black and then the white stripe. Waiting for it to come around to the other side. Trunk is straight. Fits spot on. Real nice. This side's just as clean and straight and lines up real good. The factory color is Scorch Red. That's what it's repainted in. Has a beautiful finish. What you see is like what you see in person. But now if you get up close, this is the worst of it. The paint job is about 20 years old. This panel right here has some little bubbles in the panel. I would consider maybe getting that redone because it's up on top. This quarter panel is beautiful and shiny. I mean, it's like red glass, except for the few flaws. It's like red glass. It's gorgeous. There are a few up on top here. There's one right here. So I guess they've been there for years, not getting any worse. There's a few right up in here. This is all smooth and glossy, but there are some miscellaneous little random bubbles in the paint. The windshield's crystal clear, all the molding's polished, new rubber gasket. All this looks good, has fender turn signals, they're re-chromed. It looks like show quality chrome on the bumpers, and this whole grille assembly is all restored or new. Correct antenna, it's original. Has the nice mirrors on each side, they're nice and shiny. Yeah, all this trim is really polished like chrome. Vent window chrome is real nice. The rubber's soft. All the moldings are in excellent shape. The emblem, the door handles, the vinyl top's been replaced real nicely. Back window is crystal clear, but there is like one scratch right here. The tail lights, this tail panel emblem, that's all been replaced. Show quality chrome on the bumper. A little bit of this black paint has flaked off right here on the tail light. Tires and wheels really add to the car. Love the Magnum 500 chrome wheels. I'm sure they're reproduction because they sparkle like new. Those are reproduction tires. It still has the nubs on the tread. They're not even worn off yet. So that's the outside of the car. I think it's stunning. I'm going to show you the inside. It's just as good. All right, show you a beautiful trunk compartment. All painted red. Underneath the trunk lid is gloss red. It's got the sticker. The jam is painted gloss red. New weather strip. But the whole thing is kind of dark right here, but this is all bright glossy red. Nice solid clean metal. Got the new mat. Also a tire that's never been used. Still has the nubs on the tread. Painted rim. The whole jack assembly is all painted up and cleaned up real nice, so nice and complete and clean. Yeah, it's a sharp car. Like I said in the beginning, there's other ones out there, but not this one. Jambs are really nice and painted, and the weather strips replaced, and then the door panels are mint. Now the GTX is a little upper scale from the Roadrunner. It has wood grain trim, la-di-da. It has the metal trim is painted pewter. Looking at the dash, all the bezels and instruments, all real nice. The gauges work. A new dash pad. There's a factory tachometer in the dash. These look new. Now that radio, there's like a $400 receipt. That's rebuilt with modern internals. I know it has an auxiliary plug right here. So that's pretty cool. That is the original radio with modern guts. Light works. All this trim's real nice. Glove box liner's new. Owner's manual. Real nice carpet. The correct shifter. New knob. Even this little reverse light comes on when you put it in reverse. It's like a $400 or $500 restoration on the deluxe steering wheel. This is an optional wheel. And then the seats. This is the buddy cushion. These are bucket seats, so you can sit a third person in the middle, or you got a nice comfortable armrest. I really like this combination. And this is pewter. This is the way it was born. Headrests, all of it looks really nice. Got seat belts for everyone, even the shoulder belts. All reupholstered, all the side panels, armrests, it's all redone. The rear shelf looks like new. The headliners is like new, tight as a drum. The visors, the mirror, they've been replaced. Dome light works. So really, really nice interior. I did notice the weather strip on the bottom of the driver's door is hanging down. We'll glue that back up in place. We do a pretty thorough inspection when a car comes in, and then we inspect it one more time before it leaves. Super Commando 440 motor. VIN number match, original motor, all stock, the manifolds, the valve covers, the air cleaner, carburetor, all stock. Look at the firewall, all the components are clean, all the metal's nice, the squirters are hooked up and run properly, the right clamp, the washer bottle, the horns work. Mopar radiator, the correct clutch fan, the shroud, alternator looks new. Wires are run properly. There's orange overspray on this wire. That's how the factory did it. It was already in the car, I guess, or hooked up, or no, the cable was on it when they painted the motor. Motor's properly, or battery is secured. Now here's the original fender tag. It all checks out, matches the car. And then the VIN number of the car, hidden VIN number, matches the car. The beautiful engine compartment, all nice, clean, straight metal, painted red. Isn't that sound music? Oh yeah, they don't sound like that anymore. All right. I mean, this is an opportunity that's not going to come around often. This particular car with these colors, these options. I know there's a few flaws in the paint, but you don't see it when you walk up on it. When you walk up on the car, it's like, wow. Matter of fact, I bought this car and didn't even notice those till just now. Number match, very well documented, good owner history. Go to volocars.com. The salesman will help answer your questions, including getting this delivered to your door and financing it. That's at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon. That way you're notified when new videos are posted. Thanks for watching.